Okay, brand new feature, trying it out for the first time in Google Slides. This is the live closed captioning feature. So you just select closed captions on the bottom, click allow for your microphone. And as you can see, while I talk, it is actually captioning. So I'm going to give you a little preview of a tool I just discovered called Wizer. Wizer claims that they are for worksheets, but really it's for a whole bunch more. You can create your own activities or search the community. And I'm going to highlight a couple of tasks that you can design for the free version or with the free version of Wizer, W-I-Z-E-R. And so one of the tasks I really liked is fill on an image. So you can upload an image or find one by searching, and then you add places where students will actually label or annotate the image directly based on the instructions you gave. They call it entering a tag. As I said, you can search for images and it's built into the tool. You can have students sort items, words, or concepts into categories. You can record instructions, and this is all in the free version. And you even have the option for students to record rather than type their responses. And so this is what a completed worksheet looks like in Wizer.